lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Jeudi, mardi, mercredi.
jeudi 아니지, lundi.
sorry.
이게 뭐야?
lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Your turn.
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Of course.
English?
Absolutely. I'll speak in English from here on out. Let me know how I can help.
I want to study English because I want to say a lot, speak a lot, and I want to study French because I stay in Montreal in Quebec City. So that's why I want to study English and French. What is the sounds like will and going, but what is the difference of the languages?
Expressions.
Yeah.
So if you use I'm going to do something, it's about priority. You already planned to do something. I'm going to help you. It means I was supposed to help you as a plan. And I will help you. It means I didn't have a plan to help you, but now,
that is
all of a sudden, I have to help you. For example, you spill the milk, and how can I say, oh, I will help you, right? So do you understand the difference between them? Okay, good.
Isaac talked to animals because he had no friends.
All the village
All the
children
village
laughed at him.
children laughed.
All the village children laughed at him.
All the village children laughed at him.
Being ready, go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Even though there is something wrong.
No. So cool. Once upon a time, there was a river. The water was clean and cold.
Cold and clean.
Once upon a time, there was a river. Once upon a time, there was a river. The water was cold and clean. I am so thirsty. He's drinking all the water. I may be small, but I'm smart.
Are you ready?
Once upon a time.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Once upon a time, there was a river. The water was cold and clean. I'm so thirsty. He's drinking all the water. I may be small, but I'm smart.
Once upon a time, there was a river.
The water is cold and clean.
I'm so thirsty.
He's drinking all the water.
I may be small, but I'm smart.